is me, Spotted Mint. So today we're talking about the miniseries 4 because it appeared. It appeared a few days or I don't remember, but it appeared 1 week or a few days. I don't remember, but they appeared. Let's see which characters are in this miniseries. Okay, it's the fourth miniseries, so let's see. The first one is Mothwing and Halfrost. This is Halfrost, and this is Mothwing. I like her type of hair. They're a new one because remember the last miniseries? They have just normal ears, normal. These are plushies, but look normal. And that this they have another type of ears. Maple Shame and Crocostar, same. They have the same type of ears, but it's different than these normal. Yeah. Blue Star and Dark Stripe. I think so. These are all the miniseries. There are 3 packs. So let's see. This is the bundle of 3 mini collector figurines series 4. Okay, Mothwing and Halfrost. Take us our second letter with the Lunar Sasha. We're never going to have an easy time in the clans. I know this. Though he lacked her clanmates' fate in Star Clan, Mothwing rose to the challenge of proving herself a worthy clanmate and medicine cat. Her brother Halfrost chose a darker path. This I really know this. I remember this because I read books, and Halfrost chose a really dark path. It chose the path that chose Tiger Star. Eventually leading to an epic showdown by the lake where blood spilled blood. Crocostar and Maple Shade. Few who know the noble river leader in life could have ever guessed the dark shadow that haunted his every step. Yes, I know this. Maple Shade faced betrayal and heartbreak in her life, and the burning need to make everyone else feel her pain followed her even beyond that. Crocostar spent much of his life being swayed by Maple Shade's Fendeloof spirit. But once he realized the darkness behind her words, he turned away from her and focused on leading his clan. Blue Star and Dark Stripe. These two ThunderClan cats from the Prophecies Begin arc represent 2 radically different spots that cats from the same clan can take. Blue Star overcame countless losses and overpowering grief in order to become the noble river leader her clan needed her to be. Dark Stripe chose loyalty to his dark-hearted mentor over loyalty to his clan, ultimately leading to his ruin. Okay, here's their 3D figurines, and they are 7 centimeters tall and not suitable for children under 3 years old. Please allow 2 free business days for this item to ship unless otherwise noted. Okay, these are the new miniseries, the 4 one. And if you can see, Crocostar ears are similarly like Blue Star, and Maple Shade. Oh, she had this ear looks like it was scratched very bad and it's hurted very bad. This year is Okay, I really like the new ear type that they added. And thanks Siri Heather for doing the Series 4. Thanks Siri Heather for doing Series 4. I really enjoyed and it is cool. I think these are all the news about the mini Series 4. So I think you enjoyed. In rest, these are our favorite all nose artwork. This is all nose, so let's see some arts. It is loading very hard, I don't understand why, guys. Yeah, this one is cute and yeah, it isn't bad. This one is it is look like all nose is angry, like angry or shocked by something, if you can see her expression. This one, good. I like it. I like this too. This one is like all knows want to fight. This one is very good, but all of them are really good. I appreciate all arts because they are good. This is too good. This one is too. Yeah, and this one is good. He want to fight someone, I think so. And these all are arts. So this is all about the miniseries 4. I think you enjoy